What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Mike Lee's Life Hacks. Today is Crazy Hair Edition. No, just kidding. Got off my bike, took it for a little spin. That's the whole point of this video today. I'm going to be reviewing this cell phone chest strap. Okay, I want to see if this baby can handle those hills that I'm about to go on, but I'll let you judge for yourself. Okay, so let's take a look at the adjustments on this baby. It basically clips on here. Okay, you take this off just like that. You slip it through kind of like you would a tank top. Pull the strap around, clip it in, make sure it's adjusted. Now I recommend this should not be loose, so this is the chest strap adjuster. I want it to be nice and tight. I don't want my camera jingling it around. Nice and tight there. I got this right side here. Okay, to make it tighter, you got to go up. If I want it to be looser, I would just pull it down. Now, this is the cell phone part itself. If I wanted to, I could this is set up right now so the cell phone is going to be facing me, the screen. I think that's kind of nice because when I'm going for a ride, if it happens to come loose, this thing will block it in the front and I don't lose my cell phone. If you wanted to turn it around, let's say you're just going for a leisurely walk, all you have to do is untwist that bottom, spin it around, and there you have it. So for today's ride, I'm going to spin it around. It does adjust up and down as well, this little knob here. You can see that I have it set pretty tight. If I wanted to do something, film on the ground or even film myself in selfie mode. But for today, I'm going to have it upright. I want you guys to get the view of what I see today out on the roads. Hopefully get some good footage. Let's go. Well, so far not bad. Couple of the real hairy parts. This camera flips down, it flips up, so I have to keep adjusting it. I got this thing cranked down as tight as it'll go, but it just keeps wanting to flop during the real crazy parts. So let's keep riding. Easy, kid. Easy. Easy. No, kid. Easy. All right, so hope you like some of that footage there. I found that this thing just keeps moving up and down. I would think that if you're going on a real easy, smooth trail ride where there's not a lot of huge bumps, it did okay in the smaller stuff, but in the real big dips that I had to really crank it over, this thing flopped down or it came all the way back. So if you're doing serious hardcore riding, I wouldn't recommend this. If you're just doing some trail riding, you want to go for a walk, you want to, do anything that's kind of smooth, it's great. A lot of times you're trying to film something and you want to go hands-free and you can't because you only got one hand. If I want to work on something and I want to film it, this would be great because then you can get my view while I'm working. I don't need a tripod. The shot stays with you. Anyway, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and then the links are below. So please let me know if you like the video. If there's something you want me to do, something, a product you want me to review, let me know. I got your back. Peace out. God bless America.